Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now we are looking at Opendoor stock. On Friday we saw a decline over here of just around 7%. Over the past 5 days you can see that this one's down now by 8.57 and the past month here is now down by 16.5. We need to ask what's going on, and over the course of this video I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions going forwards into this next week. If it sounds good, if you do enjoy these updates, as always, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'd like to also remember though to do your own research, as I am not a financial advisor. Now, coming straight over and having a look at the charts, well, unfortunately we are breaking below levels such as $8, levels that we would have ideally seen hold as a support. This does potentially raise some alarms about where we go next. You are seeing on the Friday session somewhat of a slowdown towards the end. You can see this here. We were ultimately moving red, but again in the late part of the day we had a little bit of an increase and actually closed slightly above the lows that we saw around about 743. Going forwards into this week, it's about seeing if we can find supports around here. Now, this level of 740, 743, or even levels in this range could be significant. Now, whilst it's not very strong, we have seen supports here, like I say, recently here, and also going way back over to here. So this could be a potential standpoint to watch out for in the next couple of days. If you do not see that hold up, I get quite concerned, and you could be looking at drops significantly lower, possibly going down to ranges such as 733, very brief support period here. And below that, of course, you have levels down around $7. So this could be a significant moment to watch. At the moment, I would be watching cautiously on the sidelines, waiting to see whether that support does hold up. If it does, we're in an interesting position. You could be looking at retesting a number of different levels. Initially, levels would be around, in my opinion, around $7.93 up to $8. Next level that you're looking at past $8 is around $8.30. Past 830, straight onto 849, 850, and past there you're looking at a push onto 875, possibly even all the way up to $9 or $10 from there. Of course, that is a long way off. My simple objective into this next coming week is to see whether this level of support does potentially hold up. If it does, things could be poised very interestingly for Opendoor. If it doesn't though, I think we're in a position where we have to ask some questions as to where we are going next. That is just my personal thoughts on it, just my opinions. I'd love to hear yours in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and goodbye for now.